I'm going to show you how to do some of these other roots. What we're doing is we are changing it from exponential form to radical form, or from radical form to exponential form. So if we look at this first one, the number, the base stays the same, and then this is 32 to the first power because this a is now the exponent in here. This one here, that's the base. The top number goes in here, and the bottom number goes outside of the radical. Here, and the top number goes in here, the bottom number goes outside the radical. So over here on the right, if there is not a number next, we know that that's just 243. So this would be 243. The top number is what's inside the radical. The bottom number is what's outside the radical. Why? The base stays the same. The top number is what's inside the radical. The bottom number is what's outside the radical. Here, m. There's only one m, right? So the top number is what's inside the radical. The bottom number, what's outside the radical. So one more thing I want to show you, and that's the power rule. So using this with the power rule, if we have this whole thing to the second power, first let's rewrite this. This is 1x, right? So this is x to the 1/5, because what's inside the radical is the top number, what's outside the radical is the bottom number. So that is to the second power. Remember, when you have something with an exponent to a certain power, use the power rule, which means that you multiply the two exponents. So if I multiply 1/5 times 2, or 2 over 1, you just multiply across. So it's 2/5. So this would be x to the 2/5 power. Or this one here. First, let's rewrite this in exponential form. So this is just 1x. So this would be x to the 1/6. And all of that is to the 5th power. Now we can use that power rule. We're going to multiply the exponents. And we just multiply straight across. So that's 5/6. So this would be x to the 5/6 power.